In this guide, I'm going to show you how to host a GameShare session on Nintendo Switch 2. This is Miguel from Just Boz, and before we get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on for more content like this. It really does help out the channel and we'd greatly appreciate it. If you have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First, you need a Nintendo Switch 2 and a game that supports GameShare. It's also a good idea to update your console by going to the home menu, going into system settings, going all the way down to system, and selecting system update. But to host locally, start the GameShare compatible game from the home menu, then open that game's multiplayer or GameShare menu and choose the option to host or play with nearby users. The exact menu names are different for each game because the GameShare hosting is started from inside the supported game rather than from one universal host spot on the home menu. But set the number of players if the game asks, then wait for everyone to join. On their consoles, they can go to the home menu, select GameShare, and select Join GameShare. And from there, they can tap on a local user, select their profile, choose your session, and select Join GameShare. Once everyone appears, select Start inside your game, and you can also host GameShare online between Switch 2 consoles through Game Chat. Start or join a Game Chat room first, then open the supported game and choose its GameShare through Game Chat option, then select the people you want to invite, wait for them to join, and start the session. Up to 4 consoles can participate, although the exact player limit and available GameShare options depend on the game. Before you leave, remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on for more content like this. It really does help out the channel and we'd greatly appreciate it. And if you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Peace.